Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's unbox the Tango OTG adapter where you can connect your pen drive and other devices using the OTG cable or the connector. So here you can see the picture how you can connect the device to your smartphone, and let's unbox it. Here you can see there's a promotion going on, or if you review their unit you get cashback. And here you can see the number provided, which we did not try it yet, but if you try you will get the cashback for your product. And we have tested it and it worked well. The transfer speed is around 16 to 18 mbps per second, and it's mentioned that 3.0 USB, but it works like USB 2.0, so make sure you note this point. And here you can see how you can connect the USB type C and the micro USB connector, so that you can share your files from the phone to pen drive or pen drive to phone. You can always connect the hard disk as well, or any of the USB. We tried the external DVD also, but it did not work somehow. Maybe the DVD player is having some problem. That's it guys, thanks.